Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. So we took a little break. There's a lot of developments going on with the Vybz Kartel case, and we have his lawyer, Isat Buchanan, coming out on the fix, giving us some shocking information.
Will be able to answer that. Because naturally, from where I sit, I am going to say no.
So you can't. So you don't want a retrial. That's what it sounds
It's not going to happen.
So would it then be? Would it be then released on time serve, or would it?
No. He's not. There's no time. There's no time. In fact, there's a nice thing in the order when the king signed it that says pay the man them money for their legal fees that they wasted. So it's a matter for the public if you want to use the taxpayers' money and your KFC money to pay to see another trial. Defense lawyers and prosecutors can dress up every day and get a lot of media attention at the expense of men who need to get their freedom.
So you bring up the Privy Council, not the Privy Council, the juries and the judicial system. So this Privy Council ruling, it has raised some concerns about potential flaws in the existing legislation, specifically about the. Do you have the mindset for if a retrial should actually take place?
You want me to say something? You just play that whole album, but I'm born for this. I'm just leave it at that.
Okay. Yeah.
I
So
don't
you guys
know
are ready.
and then you become the bad guy, or seen as a bad person. It's law, it's facts and law, not feelings.
What they're saying is that the men should not have paid these legal fees, judging from what occurred in the courts. So let me know what your thoughts are. People, we don't know what details are on those documents. Many are wondering what this means for the future of the justice in Jamaica. One important aspect of the ruling is that these men must receive back the lawyer's fee that they've spent. How much is the running total of these legal fees? And who will be responsible for paying them? Will taxpayers be left to foot the bill for these legal fees? It's a very concerning revelation that raises questions. The total amount of legal fees could be substantial. It could be millions and millions of dollars, considering the length and the complexity of the case. However, as the nation awaits answers, one thing is certain: the Vybz Kartel case has taken another unexpected twist, leaving many wondering what does the future holds for justice in Jamaica. And let me know what your thoughts are. So this is the first time we're hearing that their legal fees must be paid. So apart from the conviction being squashed, this is the second piece to that document. So I'm wondering if there's any other information that is not yet revealed on those documents. We're getting it piece by piece. So I'm sure everybody is surprised about this, and we all wait to see what will happen. Will they be getting bail, and when will they be getting bail, if they're going to be getting bail? From what I'm seeing with Isat, he's very confident that they will be getting bail. So we all have to take a seat and just wait and see. So we all know that King Charles has been diagnosed with cancer, and he is not, he's not in the best of health. As for Isat, the document has not been signed as yet. So either it's going to be signed by King Charles or a representative of King Charles. Said that those things are being held up right now. So once they get all these documents signed, then I guess things will start to move, quote unquote. So do you think that there will be bail or release? Or do you think that the government will be paying back these millions of dollars? I'm seeing 87 million. I'm seeing 70 million. So we don't know what the figure is, but we know it's a lot. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And if this is the case, what do you think is going to happen now? Because we heard Ninja Man is saying that he is waiting for the cartel case to go through and then he will make a decision. What do you think will happen in his case? So let me know what you think in the comment section. Hearing arguments surrounding jury trial or no jury trial. So there are pros and there are cons to jury trial. And of course, if it's judge only, there are pros and cons against that as well. And I'm going to do another video surrounding that. So there are certain aspects of jury trial that people really like, and there are certain aspects of judge-only trial that people like as well. To each his own, and there are pluses and there are minuses. And I'm going to go through those with you, and you let me know what you think is leaning towards a judge-only trial, because a lot of people don't want to turn up for jury. And then you get tainted jury, you get issues with jurors being sick or have family commitments, or they just don't want to participate in it because they don't feel safe. And a lot of people, they are sitting on jury panels and they feel like their life is at stake. Witness protection programs, and this is very costly. They now feel like their life could be in danger. So I believe because of the climate that Jamaica has, like tendency for violence, then I think in this case a judge only would be good. If it's certain cases, when it's not like a MURDER case, something of a lesser importance, not that they're not important, but I'm just trying to say that if it's not MURDER, then you could have a jury panel. But I think, for these types of cases, it's judge only would be better, because a lot of countries, because of the amount of money they have to spend getting jurors, electing jurors, providing for jurors, and then the case have to start over if they find out anything is wrong. So there's a lot of things that you have to consider. And I'm going to go through the pros and cons of a jury panel and a judge only courtroom. I'm going to go through the differences between a judge only in the courtroom making the final decision on someone's fate, or having a jury of your peers making that decision. Thank you for joining me on this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Take care of yourself and others. Bye for now. See you on the next video.